Hi, I'm Chuck Cohen, third generation owner of Benco Dental. Whether you're looking to buy an autoclave or an X-ray, a CBCT or a digital impression scanner, a 3D printer or a mill, one room of equipment or an entire build from the ground up, welcome to CenterPoint West. CenterPoint West in Costa Mesa, California is the largest and only facility of its kind in the Western United States. The largest dental equipment and design showroom anywhere. It's the place where dreams become ideas, ideas become plans, and plans become reality. Here at CenterPoint West, you can test drive every piece of equipment in a real-world setting. Everything from mills and printers to digital impression machines and imaging products, chairs, cabinetry, even sterilization. All here waiting for you. Every element, from the flooring to the wallpaper, the equipment to the imaging products, have been selected for one reason and one reason only: to help you make the smartest and best decision about where and how much to invest in your practice. And it's not just about seeing it, it's about actually looking, feeling, and touching everything before you make a decision. Thinking about design? Our award-winning team designs America's most productive dental practices. From the flooring to the wall covering, from branding to the team areas, no one turns your dreams into reality better than we do. You'll also gain insights on digital integration, the patient experience, and what's next in dentistry. And unlike other dental distributors, we're independent. We don't listen to Wall Street. We listen to doctors like you. So, whether you're upgrading, expanding, adding, or simply not sure, CenterPoint West is the right destination for you. We will help you bring your vision to life. Come spend the day with us. Kick the tires, test drive the equipment. Come with an idea and a dream, and leave with a plan for a more personalized, professional, and profitable practice. CenterPoint West, only from Benco Dental.